Welcome to Glimpse Pro, where we explore the world of AI and technology. Today, we discuss a controversial question: will AI lead to job losses, or is it just media hype? Let's uncover the truth together. AI is evolving at an unprecedented speed, taking over tasks that once required human intervention. From customer service bots to data analysis systems and even writing and design, AI has become more efficient and accurate. This rapid development raises significant concerns about job losses, especially in sectors reliant on repetitive or automatable tasks. But which jobs are most at risk? Some fields face higher threats than others, such as customer service representatives, as AI-powered chatbots can now handle inquiries quickly and accurately. Factory workers, as robots are increasingly replacing human labor in manufacturing. Accountants and data analysts, as AI can process vast amounts of data with exceptional speed and accuracy. But does this mean AI will replace all jobs? Absolutely not. On the contrary, AI doesn't just eliminate jobs, it also creates new opportunities. As technology advances, new career fields emerge, including AI developers and machine learning engineers, big data analysts, AI trainers, and content creators specializing in tech. These jobs barely existed a few years ago, but today they are in high demand. So, how can we prepare for an AI-driven future? The key is adaptation and continuous learning. Developing skills in technology, analysis, and creativity can make us more competitive in the ever-changing job market. Instead of resisting AI, we should leverage it to enhance our productivity and unlock new opportunities for success. In the end, AI is not an enemy, it's a powerful tool that can help us achieve greater accomplishments. The real question isn't will AI take our jobs, but rather, how can we use it to our advantage? If you want to learn more about the future of AI and the opportunities it brings, make sure to subscribe to Glimpse Pro and stay tuned for more insightful content.